Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch this motivational video. So in today's video, I am doing laundry. I am just showing you a bit of hint of what I was doing in my room, and I'm also going to be showing you what I did for Eid baking, but I will not go through the baking with you guys, as I will have a video on Ayu's cooking. If you are interested to know, especially the biscuits, I will take you through the process of how I made the biscuits that you will see towards the end of the video. So at the moment, what I'm doing is I had these three jackets that were sitting in my car since I came back from Pakistan, thinking I was going to take them to the dry cleaners. In Pakistan, it was winter that side. So, yeah, so we were wearing them a lot that side. So I was like, I'm just going to take them to the dry cleaners. But now it's already so cold that I cannot wait like 3 days, 4 days for the dry cleaners to wash them for me. So I decided, you know what, let me just wash them in the house. I can also get like close to actually the same results as the dry cleaners. It just depends how you wash them. So I had cushion covers that I needed to wash, and they happened to be the similar color to the jackets. So what I did is I just put the jacket inside those cushion covers. I will usually use a laundry bag, but I do not have three laundry bags. So this was an easy method for me to do because I'm all gonna wash them all at once. Usually what I will do with my laundry bag that I have, which is one, and they are all different sizes. So the jacket is quite bigger, it needs something that is big. I will usually just separate it in different loads and wash it like that. So this is what you can do if you don't have means to get a laundry bag, which you can get laundry bags. You can get them at what do you call this place? Like you can get at Shea Streets, I think. You can also get at Crazy. Mine, the ones that I have, I think I got them at Westpac. Yeah. So what the laundry bag does, it's to protect delicate fabrics like your jerseys, which is made of wool, silk, lace, nylon, any kind of material that is extremely sensitive, that is actually written that hand wash, or maybe it needs to go to a dry cleaners. Yeah, you can use your laundry bag. Yeah, hence I'm using my pillowcases. They are quite old, so I don't mind using them. You can just use your pillowcase always when you wash. You don't necessarily need to go out and buy laundry bags, but it really works. I've always done like that. There's machines now, so why would I trouble myself to wash with a hand if I have other means of washing my sensitive stuff in the machine and still get good quality result? You still get good results. Yeah, so I will advise you, if you washing things, especially jerseys, never put them and mix them with your clothes. You have to always put them in some bag so that they don't stretch, they do not form lint, and they stay brand new for a long time. So do that, and when you put them inside your laundry bag, always turn them inside out. Is it inside out? Like your outside must be inside. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what I do. And even with any clothes that you have that you feel like you need to keep them looking good for longer, always do that. Obviously, if you have so much energy and you can do it, hand wash is always the best. I am just giving advice to us, the lazy mamas who like to do anything. For me, all the help I can get to make my life easy, I will make in that way. I will not just go the difficult route just because I have to, I don't know, but that's how I keep majority of my clothes looking good, and it works. It really does work. Anyway, guys, this is where I think I am just gonna end my talking. I really didn't take you guys all through the laundry.
And we have any white
It
things?
was just a lot that I was doing. Yeah, it was a lot that I was doing on this day. And electricity also the following day kept on tripping like the whole day. I wanted to take you guys for ironing and iron with you guys and sort out my son's drawers, take it out summer things, as now we are in autumn and it's cold already, so I wanted to also do that with you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't. But I'm glad that I've done that. If you haven't done that, this is just a time for you to do it too. Take it out what you don't need in the drawers, especially the summer clothes, because if you're gonna add on winter clothes plus the summer clothes, then it's just gonna be a mess. It's gonna be overcrowding the drawers. So it's better you separate, and then when summer comes, spring comes, then you can take it out, those clothes to wear. So that's what I did. Yeah, guys, the weather was lovely.
Okay, guys, this is me decluttering. Just randomly just started to declutter because I was like, I don't know, the time just presented itself. Actually, I was looking for something and I'm finding myself doing all this. Yeah, it's midday and my bed is not done. Yeah, but I wanted to actually change my bedding, so that's why it's not done. And yeah, I've already done majority of taking out a lot of things that I do not need. And I've actually done a declutter, I think 3 months back. Yeah, but I was just fully just sorting out things, and yeah, and I'm proud of myself. If you can see there, I'm also just throwing a lot of things that I do not need. And I won't be taking you guys with this, but we are still doing laundry, still a laundry day today. I'm just quickly just checking if there's extra things that are left behind. Our laundry, only this is left, only 2 loads are left. That's the one day. I want to see if I have any colors left in the room to add on this. And just an advice for mamas who's got sons that goes to madrasa. These kurtas, I would advise you never wash it with anything. Like there's two kurtas this week, but what I do is I don't mix it with anything and it's retain the color if I don't wash it with other whites. Yeah, just only I wash exactly the kurtas alone. Anyway, guys, yeah, I will carry on with laundry with you guys later on.
So this was on another day, I think 2 days after me washing the laundry. As I said earlier on, that I also did this. I just couldn't take you guys along with. Yeah, and you also just realize before you even go to do shopping for your children, like, I don't know, guys, this is what I do before I even decide to go out and buy. Do advise me, what do you do? What's your method? I have to go through the wardrobe to check if do I really need to go and buy clothes, because I feel like we buy a lot for our kids, and the only way, for example, now it's gonna be cold for like 6 months, right? The only way maybe certain things few times, less than 10 times, and by the time the winter comes again, those things are small. So I make sure that now I don't overbuy, and I'm so lucky that my son wears a uniform at school, so I don't have stress with that. As long as he have maybe under 10 of good clothes for going outside. The rest, I mean, guys, I feel like we buy a lot. For my daughter, I understand. She's old. I can spend. I don't mind spending for her because she'd be wearing that thing for a long time. But my son only wears maybe in a season, 2 times in a season, because I would usually buy a bigger size. Guys, I'm just showing you my baking. I'm showing you my baking. This was so nice and tasty. Do go check on Io's cooking. I will upload a video there before Friday. Yeah, so because this one, I think I'm going to upload this video now, Tuesday, as I'm doing a voiceover right now. I'm like, okay, Pakistani vlogs need to come. They've all been uploaded. But now I need to finish with the content that I already have taken. Then I will start with Pakistani vlog, inshallah, on Friday. Yeah, nothing interesting, guys. It's just me taking you also along with to Pakistan. Nothing extremely interesting, but I share my life here with you guys, and I put my memories here on YouTube. I've told you that. Yeah, so I was just talking about the clothes. So that what I was doing, I was just taking out and checking everything, especially trousers, because I've always said also before that when it comes to summer t-shirts, I usually don't move them because it's what he can pile under his clothes when he's wearing. Summer t-shirts, I'm okay with that. Only the trousers, they need to be out of the drawer.
So guys, this is what I'm doing here. I have to thank Sister Adele, At Home with Adele. Her channel name is At Home with Adele. She's a baker, right? So last time I think I posted I made a cake, and yeah, I showed you guys the cake, but to tell you the truth, guys, I didn't know how they make these stickers to be firm like this. How you see it, it's perfect. It's not bending, it's not wrinkled. Yeah, and she actually told me you have to put fondant under this thing, and she specially sent me a message on Instagram. So thanks to her, I like knowing ladies like that, where we just uplift each other.
So I happened to be baking for my family for Eid. So I had a few people that I wanted to bake for, close people, and I also had a friend that her birthday happened to be on the 10th of April. She actually gave me the two chickens. She gave me a male and a female chicken. That's how I have chickens today. So when I was trying to make all this, I won't say who said that in my family, but someone was like, why are you putting so much effort in these people? They won't even do back. I said, no, it's not about what I must expect back from them. It's about that I feel good doing it to them. I do appreciate some of the things that some of the roles they play in my life. For example, the lady that I baked for 40 plus, I'm forever thankful for her for giving me chickens. I never bought the chickens from her. She just gave me out of her goodness of her heart. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's turning 40, let me just make something small for her. And I love doing this. And usually when it comes to me, it's not about whether I must expect you must do something back to me, but it makes me feel good that when I felt doing like that, I did it. And whatever, how can I say, whatever reaction that you bring it back to me, it doesn't really matter, at the end of the day, it really doesn't.
I think it's time for me to freeze it. You sure I cut nice? Yeah. I feel like it's not straight though, but it's too late to even fix it. But it's straight like this. But when you do like this, I feel like it's supposed to go a little bit like this.
Yeah, it isn't it's not the oh yeah, I do see what you see.
So I must have fixed it.
No, when you put it like this, it looks nice. No, the other way. Turn it, yeah, like that.
Look at the like moon. Hello.
You like the moon?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Listen to me, guys. This moon is
Enough. You're not a YouTuber, okay?
I'm a YouTube. Hello, I'm a YouTube. Hello guys, I'm a YouTube kid. So you get this cake, but you get the moon, but you don't understand me. But I like it, you don't like it. So I like it, you don't like it.
What are you saying? You don't even make sense.
So this cake.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.
Don't worry, they won't eat it. You won't eat it all by yourself. Okay, Abby, your table setting is nice, love. You did a great job. Let me go finish. Let me go make boards.